What is happening, Magnusites? Be sure to come out and see me at the 2018 Urban Action Showcase and Expo. Tickets and more information in the description box. And do not forget to use the promo code Magnusite. What is happening, Magnusites? It's about that time of the month for Lootaku. For Lootaku, however you want to pronounce it. Let's get it on with this unboxing. Ooh. Alright, so as y'all know, I am as of not yet a One Piece fan because I haven't had a chance to watch it yet. It is on the horizon though. And when I get done Naruto, I'll probably go to One Piece. You know what I'm saying? So this is what we got here. Y'all let me know, all you One Piece fans, let me know, is this badass or not? Probably is. Probably is. But, you know, I gotta check with y'all. Cause would you want it as a anime fan? Alright, and we got this pen here. There we go. Lootaku pen, exclusive pen. Looks like we have a, I don't know who the hell this is. What t-shirt this is. Okay, I have no idea what the hell this is. Maybe that is also, you know, some One Piece stuff. I have no idea. Looks scary. But Lootaku always sends you really cool stuff. Excuse me. They don't fill the box with a bunch of, well, trinkets and stuff. No. They give you quality stuff. Got a t-shirt. Got this little statue. And look at this. One of my favorite Naruto characters. Look at that. Yeah. This is good. Y'all know y'all like this, right? Yeah, baby. Woo! Kakashi. Yeah, Kakashi. That's what I'm talking about. Kakashi might have to go on the mantle. Just might have to go on the mantle. Alright, now, when you get a Lootaku, by the way, if you want one, you're probably salivating for one right now. Links in the description box. You will get this glossy piece of paper that tells you exactly what you got. It says here, Ban Presto, Grandista, Shinobi, Relations, Kakashi, Hataki. And Ban Presto, Mega, WCF. It's almost like a wrestling organization. 1000 Sunny with Luffy. One Piece t-shirt. Okay, that's what it is. And it's a Lootaku limited edition exclusive. And then we have Naruto Sasuke Uchiha with I can't pronounce that. I don't even know what that is. It's like something scary. But there it is, baby. If you want your own, check the link in the description box. And if you enjoyed my unboxing, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 10 million subscribers. Woo! You may now subscribe.